The word we'll be learning in this section is 活力, which you will often hear in discussions about health, goals, and personal motivation. The word 活力 means vitality or energy. It's used to describe the state of being energetic, lively, or having a lot of vigor. The first kanji means something like lively or active. It's about life and movement. You can see it in words like katsudo, which means an activity or action, and shows the idea of doing things with energy. Another example is kappatsu, which means lively or vigorous, and highlights the same active, energetic sense. The second kanji means power or strength, and often shows effort or force in a word. For example, 努力 means effort or hard work, where this kanji gives the sense of putting in power. Another example is 協力, meaning powerful or strong, and the kanji carries the idea of strength. I regain energy on weekends. 私は週末に活力をためる。私は週末に活力をためる。He has energy. 彼は活力がある。彼は活力がある。I feel energized. 圧力な湧く。圧力な湧く。He is brimming with energy for the activity. 彼は活動に活力をみなぎっている。彼は活動に活力をみなぎっている。The most common synonyms of 活力 are 1. Energy, which refers to physical force and power, often used in both literal and figurative senses. 2. Genki, which means being in good health or spirits, more general and can apply to mental and physical states. The most common antonyms of 活力 are 1. 無気力, which indicates a lack of vigor or motivation, focusing on the absence of energy. 2. 疎弱, which means weakening or loss of strength, stressing the diminishing aspect of energy or vitality.